Namaskar, welcome to Sumikaya Karma. Today I am going to share with you a technique that is Sat Karma. We call this Trataka for a better sleep, sound sleep. For that you can take a candle, a burning candle just in front of you or shoulder distance, or you can fix your gaze in front of your eye level on the wall also. And the technique is like that: just look at the flame until your eyes lashes started blinking. By performing any meditative posture, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, and by keeping your spine, neck and head should be in a straight line. When you feel that you are unable to look at that flame or that particular point anymore and your eyes started blinking, just close your eyes and visualize the image with your mental eye. With full relaxation, with full awareness, with full emotion, just observe that object or the flame of the candle with your mental eye till it is visible. When it is invisible, with your mental eye, gently open your eyes and look at the object physically. With full awareness and concentration, just observe the object or the flame in front of your eyes till your eyes started blinking. Eyelashes started blinking, then you have to close your eyes. When you feel that your lashes no more able to open your eyes, just close it and visualize the same image with your mental eye. You have to visualize till it is vanished. Keep your spine, neck and head with a straight line. With full awareness, concentration and emotion, just observe that object or the flame with your mental eye. Again, when the image is vanished and you are unable to visualize through your mental eye, open your eyes and observe physically. With a smiling face, with a relaxed mind, with all concentration, awareness and emotion, just observe the flame. Tears may come out from your eyes, but don't worry about it. Just observe. Once your lashes blinks, just close it and observe it through mental eye. This is a very effective technique to tranquilize your mind, to calm your mind, to get a healthy, sound sleep. Simultaneously, this particular technique helps to increase your concentration, memory, and sharpen your intellect. So keep on practicing. Start it with 5 minutes. When the image is vanished and you are unable to visualize it mentally, open your eyes and observe it with full awareness and concentration. Tears may come out from your eyes, but don't worry about it. It's a technique of cleansing. So practice this Trataka starting from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. You can extend it as much as your capacity, and before going to bed you can practice it. So this is all about Trataka. I hope it will help you to get a very healthy and sound sleep. So for such type of video, keep watching my channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and Post your comments and suggestions. See you soon. Till then, take care. Keep smiling. Namaskar.